हार्ड फैक्ट्स। नाउ इन्होंने क्या बात की है? आज राहुल जी ने जब अपीयर हुए तो ही हैड कम टू स्पीक ऑन द बजट। बजट में करते करते मैंने इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़ा है, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में ये है, कुछ बातें हैं, वो ये है, वो डेटा इज द न्यू गोल्ड, और फिर वो एनर्जी है, फिर वो ये है, वो तो सब तक ठीक है। फिर आके कहते हैं कि देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ चोक, जिसके कारण हमने हमारी जो इंटरनेशनल इंटरैक्शन है ना, दैट इज बीइंग हेल्ड हॉस्टेज टू सम प्रेशर। अरे मेरे भाई, थोड़ा सा पढ़ लिख लो। 50% of India's GDP is in the external sector, which is the value of goods and services exported and imported, the remittances. For India, it is very essential that we have international agreements and trade agreements, free trade agreements. Which other country in such a short period of time has pulled off 9 trade agreements? The whole world is praising the Prime Minister for his reforming India, for transforming it from a $2 trillion to a $4 trillion economy, for moving it from the 10th position to the 4th position and onward to the 3rd position. The IMF has raised our expectation of rate of growth from 6.6 to 7.3%. We have signed a trade deal with the EU, 27 countries, which was pending for 16 years. And thereafter with the US. And the US also, this is a framework agreement of an interim arrangement. More work will be done. देखिए, मैं ट्रेड नेगोशिएटर रहा हूं. I don't know what year was Mr. Rahul Gandhi born? 75. Well, in 1981, I was part of India's delegation to the General Agreement, Tariffs and Trade. And I can tell you as a trade negotiator, you never negotiate on terms, on conditions which you lay out. You negotiate in a condition which is given. Today, everybody says it's a very turbulent global situation. In the midst of all that, the Prime Minister and the trade team have succeeded in getting a very good deal. Now, usme ye hai, nahi hai, that's not the purpose of my presentation. But pata nahi, usko link kar diya. एक कोई इंडस्ट्रियल है, उसका नाम मैं नहीं लूंगा, उसका नाम भी है, वो अभी अरेस्टेड क्यों नहीं है? अरे भाई, दैट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैज टू फेस्ड इश्यूज हियर. His proximity to you was higher than any proximity he has with us. Whether he's arrested or not, it's not the issue. How are you linking these things? Sadak pe koi, if camel is walking, on the other side is a dog walking, he's linking the two. I think the dog barked in a neighboring city and the camel ran. This is the kind of logic. This is young. There is an entertainment value.